Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the question. Which expression is equivalent to 4 over 4x negative 5 negative 1 over x positive 1? So here we have subtraction of two rational expression, and among the given options we have to find the one which is equivalent to this one. Okay, when I go over the options over here, it's clear. So the given rational expression is simplified. So how do you have to subtract the two fractions over here? So when I want to subtract two fractions which contain numbers in denominator, so I can find the least common multiple of the denominators. I can do subtraction of the two fractions. But here in the subtraction of two fractions over here, I don't find numbers. I find expression in terms of the variable x in denominator. So whenever I want to subtract or add two fractions which contain variable in numerator and variable in denominator, so what I need to do is I have to do cross multiplication. That is, I have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction. So when I do so, I'll be getting 4 times x positive 1. Now, whatever sign I have between the two fractions, I have to take it as it is, that is negative over here. And now the numerator of the second fraction has to be multiplied by the denominator of the first fraction. So we get 1 times 4x negative 5. At last, we have to multiply the two denominators over here. So I'm getting 4x negative 5 times x positive 1. Okay, now I have to distribute this 4 to x and positive 1. 4 times x is 4x and 4 times 1 is 4. Now I have to distribute this negative 1 to 4x. It will be negative 4x, and negative times negative will become positive. 1 times 5 is 5. And in denominator, we have 4x negative 5 times x positive 1. But in option A, B, C, D, so we have the same product of what we get over here. But they have taken x positive 1 first and 4x negative 5 next. So multiplication is always commutative. So we can take anything as first, anything as next. So we can take this x positive 1 at first times, then we can take this 4x negative 5. Okay, now so we can simplify the expression over here in numerator. This 4x and negative 4x will cancel out. When I combine this positive 4 and positive 5, it will become positive 9. So 9 over x positive 1 times 4x negative 5. So we find this stuff exactly in option A. The correct answer choice for this question is option A.